Oh, we got wonderful news, boys. The ram's ready to be picked up for the skid steer thingamajigger there. But yeah, he wasn't able to get the cork off it either. So that's awesome. Well, getting back from the hydraulic sticks there, they weren't able to get it off either, and they really chowdered the end of it, so figure we'll just weld a clump of the metals on there. One of the dicks in the comments, freaking made a suggestion there. Just weld a chunk on there and beat it off. Hey, I love beating it off, hobby. But yeah, I mean, I don't know how you're ever gonna get that off there any other way. But we'll give her a crack, see what happens, and then yeah, we'll just order a new one when we totally destroy it. Scores. Okay, simmered down a little bit. Not too bad, but I figure all I can do is just weld that on there like that best I can and just start swatting it with my purse. But I think they got into the barrel a little bit. Oh, started freaking out again. Apologize. Need to grab my bigger purse. I guess I just rolled it on again, but I don't know. It looks like it's like metal dust or something, maybe, or something. I don't know what it is, but weld her on again, see what happens. I think she might be stuck on there, boys. Hard to tell. imagine it was reversed there. I just broke her off. Oh, this is one of those ones where they fastened her together in accordance to belligerent amounts of torque, I guess. I don't know. You can see that Mattuo is of the pow-tiered, sintered type variety, but so that's absolutely perfect. That's wonderful, wholesome. Great. So now what? Now what do we do? Well, now they got a new office. They can do fancy pants things like subscribe buttons. Hey, now you guys know. Because, yeah, the notifications too will happen. But that was hard enough. So give me a minute. We'll get her figured out. But, yeah, this RAM, I think we're just gonna have to get a new one, but it's got to be, you know, from the Dix. Who'd have thunk? You know what I mean? It's a proprietary fucking unit, so that's wholesome. I mean, it lines up really nice. It doesn't have any like awkward gaps along the stovepipe or anything. So I mean, it's got this little chint here of the bevelage right there. That's the reason why the ram squidged, right? So, but it doesn't appear to affect the alignment at all, which is wholesome. But I gotta frig off again, so this is multiple days. But we got Bailey back. So we got Trudy, Abby, and Bailey all together. So much for something. Well, I think I found the problem, boys. Need an O-ring on that, but I don't know. Seems like we got some type of the vermins feeling those they need to just chew up onto the harness. Just gnarl up on the wires there a little bit. So that'll be the check engine light. But yeah, these fucking bastards. I mean, we would catch them and taking them off, but you know what I mean? It's like you don't really notice they're there until there's fucking 700 of them. So I don't know. I think we've caught like 7 of them so far. So when I get back, I guess I'll have to fix that. I don't know. Mow, no good. Choo-choo-choo, choo-choo-choo. Oh, the top of your engine looks like a good place to have a shit. Really chewed all the insulation, not the insulation, but just the fabric off the insulation up there, and tried building their nest in there. Chewed the shit out of the wire in there. Well, I don't like smidgen stuff really bad, boys, but I also don't like chewing my wires in the car. And if it was my truck, we'd already have the backyard burnt to the ground at this point. But yeah. Rat infestation problem needs to get fixed big time. Oh, but check this out. I got my Vito man, so you don't have to run an extension cord. Just do a real quick sub here. That's what happens. That's what happens when you're farmer pug one, I guess, hey? Stupid mow no good. You know what I mean? Stupid mow, They probably figured I was just, you know, I wasn't very busy and I didn't have anything to do, so they're just helping me out. Keep me a little nick there. That one's chewed, this one's fucking decked. Well, I guess we'll start with that one there. Check out that roll of world's safest tape. Oh boy. Right. You see what I did there? Because I just made one connection in the wire. I just used the strands out of the other wire, so we'll be able to, you know, not have to like cut a chunk out or extend the length of the wire so the wiring's all dicked. How nice that wire fucking takes the solder, boys. Holy shit. Look at it holding the electrons in, boys. Oh, that's what they did. They needed to pull that wire out of the way because it didn't interfere with their nest building operation. I apologize. Engine light's still on, but it's definitely running a lot smoother. Maybe just got to drive around the block 11 times. She'll go out. Anyways, freaking that chunk that I was hitting with my purse there, and sent the material is like of the sintered type material. Let's get a little bit of the sinter onto it, but anyways, don't forget to subscribe. Hey, I apologize. I'm not good at figuring pewter stuff out, so I'm pretty proud of myself on that one. But he says the RAM should be here on Monday, so we'll get that friggin' dealt with. And I want to blow all the lines out too, disconnect the hoses and give her a little how you doing. Make sure there's no old smut fluid in there, because my tractor don't like that kind. I think the next little project here is going to be the shocks and the intake and the exhaust on the old Sylvanatus there, eh? But yeah, let me know what you think, and I go.